This is the Chapter 9, Section 8 notes. Today we are going to be graphing both a quadratic and a linear function at the same time. So to do this, we're going to use Desmos. So please pause this video, open a new tab, and open it to desmos.com and go to Start Graphing. So today, like I said, we are going to be solving systems of equations that have a linear, so a line, and a quadratic, a U-shape. And you have three possibilities when you graph these. You can have two solutions, which means the line goes through the U in such a way that it hits twice. So on this case, it goes through once at this point and once at this other point. The other possibility would be this line only hits at the vertex, so it's only hitting that one point on the U shape. That's what we would call a one solution because it only hits once. And then the possibility is they don't even touch each other. They don't intersect at all. So you have a line off to the left-hand side here that doesn't touch this parabola at all. This is what we would call no solutions because they don't meet at any point on that line. So what we're going to do is we're going to use Desmos. So please start by typing these two equations into Desmos. So y equals x to the second minus x minus 2 and y equals negative x plus 2. So pause the video and graph both of those equations. Now once they're graphed, you should see that they end up crossing at 2 points. And all you have to do to find the solutions are to write down those 2 points from Desmos. So the first point would be at 2, 0. And the second point where they cross is at negative 2, 4. Those are your two solutions because those are where they cross each other. Once you're done with this problem, you're going to X both of those equations off of Desmos and go to the guided practice. So type in these two equations into Desmos. Y equals x to the second minus 6x plus 10 and y equals 4 minus x. Find those two solutions and write them on the page. The solutions you should find are 2, 2 and 3, 1. Again, this was a two-solution problem. The next one, you should do y equals negative x to the second plus 4x plus 1 and y equals 2x plus 2. When you graph this one, you'll notice that they only meet at the vertex of the parabola, which means it's going to be a one solution. They're only going to have 1 point in common, and that'll be at 1, 4. If you did not get that it met at just that 1 point at 1, 4, please pause the video and ask for some help.